than anyone.
In his New Year's message to Kenyans on behalf of the coalition, opposition leader Raila Odinga has promised to push for talks between the opposition and the government. Odinga has termed the year 2017 as having been a difficult one for Kenyans, citing the high cost of living as well as electoral injustice. The high cost of unga and its scarcity last year being among the raft of issues the opposition chief says need to be addressed in the coming year. While setting the stage for an increase of resources sent to county governments, Odinga also faulted the central government for late and irregular disbursement of funds to the devolved units. He has well criticized the use of county commissioners to undermine elected county leadership, citing the case in Mombasa. Odinga further says his coalition will intensify the economic boycott as well as a wide civil disobedience program to force the government into talks. Within the first week of the new year, we intend to begin a program of civil disobedience and street protest, non-cooperation with government, in addition to people's assemblies. End of quote.
Kama hawataki mazungumzo ya kuhakikisha wizi wa kura unakwisha. Kama hawataki ya mazungumzo ya wizi wa kura, Kalonzo na Raila wataapishwa.
You've opened the server. And we have the original results.
You managed to access the server?
Yes. And which shows that we won the elections. See? That is the ground which we're using to swear in.
NASA co-principal Kalonzo Musyoka, on his part, wished strength for families of those who lost their loved ones during the concluded elections. Meanwhile, ANC boss Musalia Mudavadi says the new year should provide a genuine platform to resolve all issues that continue to divide Kenyans. NASA's position remains that until electoral justice is achieved, we will not recognize the Jubilee regime. Read Odinga's message. Stephen Leto, Citizen TV, Nairobi.